So hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial. In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can remove non green screen. That means the if you have some different other than the green screen, like a blue screen or something, how you can remove that directly in OBS. Now, in order to do it, just simply right click on the source of which you want to apply the same effect. Then click on filters over there, and here hit on this option of add and click on this option of color key instead of chroma key. Now once you select the color key, hit OK. Now here you can simply change the color type as you want. For example, you can choose blue or red or magenta, or you can choose a custom color as well. Just simply select the marker of select color, and from here you can pick any color from the screen as well. Now select it, hit OK, and you'll notice that that particular color have been now used as chroma key. Alright, so that's it for this tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.